Khel Champs Prime Fantasy Skill Game. Now you can easily access it on your phone. I will show you how to use it. Khel Champs Prime Mobile Application Guide. Participant. How to use link and add to home screen. Use this link for Khel Champs mobile application. This link is available on description box. Just copy and paste the link in your mobile browser. Login page will appear. To go to the top right of login screen and click on the three dots, menu list will open. Select fourth last option from bottom, add to home screen. Now you will see Khel Champs Prime icon will be seen on mobile screen along with other icon. Now how to use the app? First select participant. Now enter participant mobile number. Now enter password and click on login. On the top, available balance is shown. List of fantasy sports are shown. Previous games results with fantasy points are shown. Upcoming matches details are shown. Option to select different type of contest and contest fees are available. Participant can select single or multiple teams with multiple quantity also. Now click on Retailer Wallet for further process. Here wallet list will be shown from where participant account has been created. Participant can create wallet from more than one retailer. After selecting the wallet, now click on Confirm to pay from selected wallet. Transaction successfully generated. Immediately SMS with ticket link will be received on participant mobile. Important point: after result is declared, there is no need to manually claim the ticket or call participant assistant point. If there is a winning in the ticket, then automatically prize amount will be credited in the participant wallet. And now how to check previous game results. In the home screen, latest winner, select the game whose all team-wise points you want to check. Here all 10 teams fantasy point will be shown. For player-wise points, please click on team number. Here selected team, all players fantasy points will be shown. Now, app menu option, home. When you select this option, it will take you to app main screen, profile. Here participant will able to see his own details like name, email, mobile number, etc. Change password. This option will allow to change your old password anytime. We recommended to change password every 30 days. Resend. This option will allow you to resend the previous booked ticket to player's mobile. Wallet. Here participant will be able to see of PAP from where account is created. Result. This option will allow you to see all previous results. Point system. This option allow to check all game-wise fantasy point system. Accounts. This option allows you to see all transaction status, accounting reports, etc. Promotions and offers. In this option, from time to time you will able to see the attractive schemes and offers. Contact us. Here you will be able to see company office, addresses and other details. Terms and conditions. Here all terms and conditions related to gameplay and fantasy skill gaming are mentioned. FAQs. Here all details information about fantasy gaming is being provided. Legal. Here you will be find fantasy skill gaming, legal documents and all court's judgment paper. Logout. By clicking on this option, you will be redirected to login screen again. Thank you. For more information, visit our website www.khelchampsprime.com or write to us care@khelchampsprime.com. For daily update, join us at our Telegram channel @KC Prime.